In this video, I'll show you how to remove your WooCommerce short description from your product page. Let's get straight into it. To achieve this, we'll just use a few lines of code. So just head over to aovupper.com. Go ahead and search for remove short description on our blog. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead and copy the code in which we need, all right? So on this article here, I'll just go ahead and copy this particular code here. Okay, so let's head back over to our dashboard, and this particular code will just remove all the short descriptions on all our products, and then later on we'll scroll down a bit further and then I'll show you how to remove it on particular products. All right, so let's head over to our dashboard. Whenever you add in any code to your website, just make sure you create a backup. We can add this code in a few different places as well. I'll leave a link on screen to a particular video going into more in depth about this, but for now I'm just going to add it in our themes function.php file. So we just navigate over to appearance, theme editor, and then we'll go on functions.php, scroll down, and then I'll just paste my code here. Let's update. Let's go ahead and view a particular product. So let's view this product, for example, and there's no short description. To double check, let's go ahead and quickly add some text in our short description area. All right, so there's already some text here. As you can see on the front end, it's not working. Okay, so I'll quickly show you how to actually remove it for specific products. So again, we'll head back over to the AOV Upper website. We'll just click on this section here, all right? And then we'll copy over this code, head back over to our theme function.php file. I'm going to go ahead and remove this code here, and then let's paste in our new code. And to remove the short description from a particular product page, here we just need to specify the product ID, right? So for example, we can head over to all products, and then let's say we just wanted to remove the short description from this particular post here. We can see the ID for this particular product here. I'll copy this over and then I'll just paste it in here. So let's update this. Let's head back over to our product page. So let's open this in a new tab. So on this particular product, there shouldn't be any short description. But if we check this particular product here, then we can see the short description. So let's just double check. All right, so no short description and a short description on this particular page. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you got any questions, leave in a comment box.